Welcome to World in 2 Minutes. These are your headlines. Prime Minister Viktor Orban has said Hungary has a right to decide whether it wants to allow in more Muslim refugees. He says most asylum seekers attempting to enter the EU are too culturally different from the majority of Hungarians who are Christian. Most refugees are fleeing conflict in the Middle East and Africa. Earlier this week, thousands of asylum seekers camped outside a railway station in Budapest for 2 days after police blocked them from boarding trains to Western Europe. On Thursday, the station reopened, but instead of refugees being taken to border towns, they were redirected to refugee processing camps. Former President Otto Perez Molina has been jailed to prevent him leaving the country. He's considered a flight risk after being accused of leading a customs bribery scam dubbed La Linea. He denies being involved in the scandal. Several other politicians have resigned in connection with it. Earlier in the week, Congress stripped him of his immunity from prosecution. Former Vice President Alejandro Maldonado has been sworn in as president for the remainder of Perez's term. Asian Pacific stocks were mixed on Friday as traders wait for the US to release its job data for August. Analysts expect the information may affect the Fed's decision about when to raise interest rates. Japan's Nikkei fell 2.2%, while Australia's S&P ASX 200 gained 0.3% during trading. Chinese markets were closed. The white man accused of killing 9 black people in a church is to face trial with the possibility of a death penalty. The state prosecutor argued capital punishment was necessary as Dylan Roof killed more than 2 people and put other people's lives at risk. Roof is charged with murdering 9 people at the Emmanuel African Methodist Episcopal Church in late June. He may also face hate crime charges. Survivors say he used racist language during the attack, and federal officials say he managed a racist website. One of his friends said Roof had told people he wanted to start a race war. Thanks for watching TRTworld.com Istanbul.